Did you know that one simple herbal drink before bed can completely soothe your cough and cold, especially in seniors? Most doctors recommend expensive syrups or tablets, but nature already gave us powerful remedies hidden in your kitchen. Today, we'll uncover the most effective home remedies for cough and cold in seniors that not only bring instant relief, but also strengthen your immunity naturally. Stay tuned till the end, because our golden health tips can change your winter routine forever. Welcome to Golden Health Tips, your trusted source for natural healing and wellness secrets that doctors often forget to mention. In this video, we'll explore science-backed herbal remedies, breathing techniques, and simple daily habits that help seniors fight off coughs, colds, and throat infections naturally and safely. So grab your warm cup of herbal tea and let us begin your healing journey right from home. For centuries, ginger has been nature's best antibiotic. When combined with honey, it becomes a super remedy for sore throats and persistent coughs in seniors. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice, add 1 teaspoon of organic honey, mix, and take it twice a day. Warm the mixture slightly for faster absorption and soothing relief. Ginger improves blood circulation and honey coats the throat, reducing inflammation naturally. This simple remedy not only cures coughs but also helps improve digestion and reduces cold-related fatigues. One of the most underrated yet powerful home treatments is steam inhalation. Steam opens up your airways, clears mucus, and instantly reduces coughing. Boil water in a pot. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil or peppermint leaves. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for 5 to 7 minutes. This is especially beneficial for seniors suffering from sinus or chest congestion. If you can't find essential oils, plain hot water works well. It naturally soothes the nasal passages and makes breathing easier. If you're enjoying these natural remedies, hit the like button and subscribe to Golden Health Tips, your one-stop channel for powerful herbal solutions. Vitamin C is your immune system's best friend, especially for seniors. Lemon and black pepper tonic fights infections, reduces cough frequency, and keeps your throat clean. You'll need half lemon juice, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix in warm water and drink daily in the morning. This tonic clears mucus buildup, supports the respiratory system, and gives your body the strength to fight infections naturally. Garlic milk might surprise you, but it has been used in Ayurveda for generations. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that kills bacteria and strengthens immunity. Boil 1 cup of milk, add 2 crushed garlic cloves, let it simmer for 5 minutes, and drink it warm before bedtime. This soothing drink helps clear the throat, reduces chest congestion, and promotes sound sleep for seniors dealing with chronic coughs. Tulsi and clove tea is another ancient and powerful herbal duo. Tulsi purifies the airways and strengthens respiratory health. When mixed with cloves, it becomes a natural antibiotic. Boil 5 to 6 tulsi leaves with 2 cloves, let it steep for 10 minutes, and add honey before drinking. Drink this twice daily for relief from cold and sore throat. This tea also balances body temperature and boosts immunity, a must for seniors in winter. Sometimes, simple warmth is more healing than any medicine. Use a warm towel or heating pad on your chest and back for 10 minutes. It improves blood flow and relieves cough-related muscle tension. For extra relief, apply a little mustard oil mixed with camphor before the compressant opens up the chest and provides deep comfort. Your lungs are your life force. Daily deep breathing exercises like Anulom, Vilom, or simple deep inhaling and exhaling can reduce cough frequency and strengthen respiratory muscles. Spend just 10 minutes daily and feel the difference in your stamina and breathing capacity. Before sleeping, take 1 teaspoon honey mixed with a pinch of cinnamon powder. This combination relaxes your throat muscles and suppresses night coughs naturally. It also helps seniors sleep better by calming the nervous system. A strong immune system begins with sunlight and water. Morning sunlight provides vitamin D, which protects you from viral infections. Drink lukewarm water throughout the day to flush out toxins. This small habit strengthens the lungs and reduces mucus buildup, keeping colds away naturally. Classic but powerful. Saltwater gargle reduces throat inflammation, kills bacteria, and soothes soreness. Gargle with warm salt water twice a day and add a pinch of turmeric for extra healing. Always keep your throat covered during cold weather. Avoid refrigerated water and sugary drinks. Include immunity-boosting foods like turmeric, amla, and garlic daily. Stay active. A 15-minute walk helps clear your lungs. And most importantly, sleep well because recovery happens best when your body rests. Remember, natural remedies are not just old traditions. They are nature's perfect medicine when used wisely. And if you found these powerful home remedies for cough and cold and seniors helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Golden Health Tips for more amazing natural healing videos. Your health is your real wealth, protected naturally.